up, me? It's me, Memo Beast, and I'm coming at you with some 200k of Pro Packs about to get opened. Okay, let's get into it. 200k Pro Pack opening. Let's do this. Ooh, road to the playoffs. Good way to start it off. Ooh, 80. The goals, if they're over 80, they actually get you some good profit. Another 80. Hopefully we can get some elite soon. Oh, sorry, I did reveal it too fast. It's just a gold, so. Yes, another road to the playoffs. Ooh, silver leaf. Pretty good. Can we get any elite soon? Oh, and there it is! Elite road to the playoffs! Let's go! Yes! Let's go, that's a good one for the video. And that was only 50k in. Let's keep it coming. Let's go. I'm so hyped. Nothing there. Ooh, 83 road to the playoffs Giants. That was a pretty good pull. I still can't believe I pulled an elite road to the playoffs. Oh my gosh. Yes! Another elite player! AJ Green! Let's go! And we are about 100k into this pack opening. We've gotten 2 elites. Yes. This might be a profit of a pack opening. Yeah, let's go. Can we finish this video off with one more elite? Ooh, bronze leaf and 81 overall gold. Hopefully we can get some kickers or punters too. Those go for like a good amount, especially for bronze and silver players. In there, I just got another road to the playoffs card. Okay, we have 35k left in this pack opening. Hopefully we can clutch it out with another elite, which would really make this video pretty sick. Oh, and another road to the playoffs, 80 overall. Come on, 28k I believe is left. 83 kick return. Okay, this is our last pro pack in the video. We got the lag going. Ooh! 84 gold road to the playoffs. Great way to end off this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really means a lot. And don't forget, our league is looking for recruits. We're looking really for anybody 83 to 85 overall or higher. We're really trying to get these achievements because they can really help your team and make your league really good. So, thanks for watching this video and peace. Like and subscribe too.